shower certified. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Colonial Beach, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
Nice bridge.
Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Breton Bay, Cobb Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. Clements Bay, Namini Bay, United States.
301 nice
Memorial
Bridge.
Westmoreland State Park, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, and Colonial Beach.